Hi guys, the Frugal Gal here, back with my last lot for just a little bit because I'm doing this a little bit different. Everything you see here is going in this lot. It is a mystery grab bag lot of good wearable jewelry. So I'm not going to go through this piece by piece because some of you ladies, here you can't see it. Quit looking. Stop it. Stop trying to like make it bigger on your screen. Quit. Some of you ladies don't live in areas where you can buy jewelry grab bags or jewelry jars. So, I used to be like that before I could find them. So, I decided to put this all together with you. And this is the kind of picture you get if you went to Shop Goodwill and would, look at their stuff, at their grab bags. So, this is all good wearable jewelry, you guys. This are name brands in here, several different name brands in here. This right here, I will point out to you. Something that I never come across. It's a little rabbit pendant and it's labeled Pfister ENT. Pfister spelled with a PH. And there it is right there listed on Etsy for $18.58. Yeah. So when I say, okay, yellow go away. Oh, magical, it went away. So I say you're getting name brand stuff. And of course I had to put Monet in there because Monet means Monday. So, I'm letting you look at it. Okay. Take it all in. Good wearable jewelry. Take it all in. Take it all in. You taking it all in? You even got a ring in there that's marked 925. What, am I crazy? Yes. Yes, I am. But that's okay. So, I'm going to come back and I'm going to be putting them in these bags. I'm putting them all in the, probably have a couple bags. And we'll weigh them and we'll see how much it weighs. And then I will tell you the price also. I'll be right back. Get a good look at it. It's going bye-bye. You'll never see it again unless you buy it. Alright guys, we're back. Let's weigh these. There's 2 bags of them. Let's see if we can get them on the scale together. £2, 5.5 ounces of jewelry. Okay? So over 2 pounds of jewelry. They're grab bags. You had to watch before, a little bit before to see them on the front of this video. So it's a surprise 2 grab bags of jewelry weighing over 2 pounds. I'm going to turn that off. And I will ship them like this, but I'll put them down in a box. I will ship them the cheapest way possible, but it would be a little bit more because they are over 2 pounds. But you get these. All this wonderful jewelry. And there's a ring in there marked 925. And there's name brands. For how much? For how much? What am I going to sell it to you for? $20. That's it. $20. $20. Yes, if I said $20. First person who says want down there in the comments and then sends me their information and pays me, we'll get them. Thanks guys. Bye.